Hello friends, are you ready to sing? Let's learn about some amazing animals from letters. A is for ant, so busy and so small, marching in a long line so he doesn't fall. March, march. Letter B is for bear, big and strong and stout, he loves to give a friendly happy shout. C is for cat, she loves to purr and sleep all through the night. Meow, meow. D is for duck, who waddles in a line, splashing in the pond and having a good time. E is for elephant, so big and strong, he sprays the water with his trunk to play all day. F is for fish, in the water deep and blue, swimming all around and blowing bubbles too. Blah, blah. G is for giraffe, with spots of golden brown, the tallest, kindest animal in the whole town. H is for horse, his hooves go clip-clop, clip-clop on the ground. I is for iguana, sitting on a tree, as slow and as quiet. J is for jellyfish, when you see him swimming, it makes you wanna giggle, jiggle, jiggle. K is for kangaroo, with a baby in her pouch, she jumps all around, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, waking from a nap, he gives a great big yawn and a happy friendly clap. M is for monkey, peeling a banana, he eats it with a giggle in the hot savannah. Yum. N is for newt, so tiny and so grand, living by the water and crawling on the land. O is for owl, with eyes so big and bright, he stays awake to play all through the night. Hoot. P is for parrot, sitting in a tree, he copies every single little word you say to he. Q is for quail, so little and so fast, she runs around and plays in the green, green grass. Beep, beep, beep. R is for rabbit, with a twitchy little nose, he wiggles it and sniffs a yummy sweet red rose. S is for shark, with a fin that's strong and grand, he's the fastest swimmer in the whole sea land. Swish, swish, swish. T is for tiger, with stripes of black and gold, a beautiful and wonderful story to be told. U is for Uriel, a sheep up on the stone, with big and curly horns that. V is for vulture, way up in the blue, soaring high above the clouds, for me and for. W is for wolf, when the moon is big and bright, he sings a happy howling song. X is for X-ray tetra, a truly special sight, his skin is clear as glass and shine. Y is for yak, with a very hairy back, he lives up on the mountain and carries a big pack. Z is for zebra, a horse with stripy pajamas, he loves to run and play, clip-clop, clip-clop.